Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a what's on my school bag. Yes. And I would like to introduce you my friend. Yes, we're neighbor. My house is there. Yeah, beside their house. And let's welcome the only child. Yes, this is her room. Sorry, hindi ako nag-vlog sa room ko kasi I'm shy with her room because it's so messy. Yes, hindi ako naka-arrange ng room ko kasi I'm super tired. Yes, I'm tired editing vlog. I'm tired of school. A lot. And what are you waiting for? So let's start it. And guys, I have a blue-green bag. Yes, one of my favorite color. And I want to tell you that we are a private school. We don't look like in other schools. I have a small puppet and a big puppet. Let's start with this small. It's not like small, but there is a 7 things on the. There is a 7 things on the pocket. Yes, 7 things, guys. 7 things. And there is a crayons, sketch tape, so pens, glue stick. I like glue stick and yes, the liquid. I don't like glue stick because it's so small that kasi lagyan mo siya ng glue stick. It's hard kasi plastic talaga sila eh. Ito siya nakakas. Yes. And stapler. Yes, I choose ink. Yes. Gusto ko yan ang buo kasi may naman. And sharpener. Always my sharpener kasi it's from Stabilo Excel Grade. Yes. And that's it for my small puppet. And let's go to the big one. And the first thing I would like to get is umbrella. Yes, umbrella. Always near me. It's from Mecca Ella. Yes, I like this. It's violet. It's just a small piece. I don't like the big one. And I yes, this is our exam. Review pa ako eh kasi una ko lang yung vlog. Vlog is life. And meron pa. Guys, please bring your Bible in your school. It's very important, Bible. Yes. And please bring. Nadala ko yung chargeable fan ko kasi when we ran out, it's very hot in school. Yes. I bring chargeable fan. Tissue. Yes. I always bring tissue. And pencil case. I have scissor, ball pen, highlighter, eraser, and a pencil. And second floor. Pencil, Faber-Castell, a pencil and the blue sharpener. And then mirror, I always bring mirror. Yes. And then ruler, yes. Ruler is important. And then where is it? And guys, ito ang aming sinasalihan. Yes, we will do math, English, science, social studies, and Filipino. Yes. And ito ka lang yung sulod ng school bag ko kasi I don't put a lots of things in my bag because it's so heavy. And guys, nagbilis ako para sa vlog. Yes, my sister wants to put me a makeup but hindi ako kasi sanay sa makeup. Yes. When I have a makeup, I feel weird. Super weird kasi and guys, comment lang kayo sa baba kung gusto nyo ang video. Yes. Comment lang ako sa baba because I'll do that. I can do that. Yes. Comment lang kayo sa baba. Yes. And guys, please support her. She will have a soon channel. Yes. Soon, Mimina. Yes. Support her. And guys, I will end this what's on my school bag. And guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel para maging part na kayo sa aking buhay. And if you like the big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.